When you're actually presenting, you have a lot of things to say, and to remember everything might not be possible. So that is where speaker notes come in handy. So to access speaker notes, what you can do is you can go down, and then from bottom you can see that my icon changes. If I were to click and drag this right here, if I were to click and drag this right here, you can see that the speaker notes actually pop up. So what you can do right here is you can add in details. For example, say welcome to TutorTube right here, and then you might want to say something like lessons at your convenience right here. So you can type in the notes that you want handy that only you can see but the audience cannot, and this can be used if you're using a dual monitor system. That is, you have the laptop or the desktop face towards you, and then the projector is having the slide. If you're using a single screen, then it is not possible to do so right here. So once you add in the details right here, you can add in details to each of the slides. So talk about content right here. Maybe let's say, for example, take pause right here. You can add in the details just like this. So if I were to click on present, you cannot see anything. So what you have to do is you can go around, and then you have to present it in a different mode. So you go over here, and then what you can do is you can go on to present the view, and what happens is that you get two windows, as you can see right here. So you got the controls right here. So this is something that you will have on your laptops, and you just drag this towards the projector's end right there. So what will happen is that you have the details right here just like this. So you can go around and go around right here. So let's say, for example, you go around right here. You can increase out the size, decrease out the size, and see the notes right here. And that is how the speaker notes work like inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.